The Nebraska Statewide Arboretum invites you to join us for Wildflower Week. In Nebraska, June starts with Wildflower Week, and we have events across the state all throughout the first week of June that you can join us for. You can go to our website, plantnebraska.org, to see those events, but we will be at events all throughout western Nebraska and the Panhandle. So you can join us Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday to do all types of events, whether that is a volunteer planting in Morrill, Nebraska, a hike of Chimney Rock to see all of the wildflowers throughout the beautiful setting there, a sunset and wildflower hike and plant talk at Wildcat Hills, and even some wine and trivia at Papa Moon Vineyards and Winery in Scotts Bluff. We'll top it all off with a plant sale at the Gehring Evergreen House on Saturday morning, starting at 8:30 a.m. So you can come and buy native and well-adapted plants so you can build the wildflower garden of your dreams right at your house or your school or your park. So we hope you'll join us for Wildflower Week all throughout the state. You can go to plantnebraska.org to learn more, see the full list of events throughout the state, and head on out to see the beauty of Nebraska.